Hello, everybody. How's it going? I'm trying to make a little bit of art, and OBS is not liking me. Kind of annoying. Okay, I have to redo it. I have no clue what game dev is, but hi. Aloha, Alina. And game dev is basically making a game. So what I've been working on is actually a little game design. But what I'm working on right now, there it is. It showed up. Look at that. Made a little thing. Also, I don't know why I didn't use the actual transition, but it's fine. Little game thing, little thingy thing. Actually, I'm going to redo this. I'm going to add a little bit of a, let's see, alpha over. Yes, this is Blender, by the way, which is what I'm using. I use for transparent video stuff. Color, gonna opacity 2. Okay, let's redo this so the video will stop, hopefully, and not interfere with it. Then it should work again. Anyways, how's everybody doing? Thank you, Alina. My voice is all right, I guess. It's fun. Okay. Um, but yeah, making the little thing to fill in the bottom space because I'm just capturing a window, not my entire desktop. So like the area that's normally filled by the taskbar is what's getting filled in. And is it playing again? Please? No? Okay. I guess. Go. There we go. This should loop. I hope. Loop, restart playback, hardware decoding are available. All right. Look at that. Now it should clean loop. Let me check if it does. Will it clean loop? Look at that. Got a little filler in the bottom. Let's go. Anyways, how's everybody doing? I'm gonna load back up the music. Give me a second. There we go. Music. Awesome. Come on, go there. Perfect. I'm actually vibing. It's a nice day. Let me lower this a little bit. Okay, it's a pretty nice day. I've very much so enjoyed myself. But, okay. This is the thing we're working on. Last night, I got started on a little bit of the modeling bit. So, the concept for the game is basically a shooting gallery, but like futuristic kind of style. So I just mocked up these guns, like little laser pistols. They're not exactly high detail. They're just little low poly models. And then I also made this little train because, every shooting gallery has like a little train that drives in the background that you get to shoot at. So here's my little low poly train that I designed. And then little just simple targets. I mean, there's nothing super interesting about like round targets. Also this though, which is a little bit more interesting. This is a little rocket drone that you get to shoot at. I'm glad you like the train. It's fun. I had a very nice time making this. But now we actually have to set up a little stage for the game itself. Though I need to figure out exactly what I want in it, as well as like, I don't know, a few other things. But that's the start one. Okay. Let's see here. We have train, pistols, targets, drone. What else could we put? Because there's got to be like one other thing. There's always a normally a consistent moving thing, which is not a train, because a train comes through randomly through the entire area. Let's see. What else could there be? What else could there be? Oh, you could put in maybe. No, not a plane. A plane wouldn't consistently move. Trying to think something that fits with the theme. Or maybe we could just. Oh, okay. Here's an idea. Good. Just have something simple, like a group of cubes strung together, which are just low point targets. Which this is really easy. Actually, let's not put cubes. Why would you put cubes? Hey, fishy, how's it going? not cubes, not cubes. Fancy things like this. Okay. Let's do that. Single subdivided icosphere. What's up? Oh, what's poppin'? That's probably what that means. Just chilling, making a few little assets for the game that I'm planning on doing, which is just like a little gallery shooter kind of a thing. Okay, we can put a string of these. I guess that would work. Let's add ourselves a cylinder. Ooh, before we do that, make it low poly. Everything here is low poly. Scale. Oh, I'm glad you're here. How's your day going? Okay, there we go. Perfect. These we can join. This we can boolean together. Pretty poggers. I'm glad. Wait a minute. There we go. Wait, this one has the... No, not that one. Actually, we can not difference, but we can union. Do that. We should come out with a string. Look at that. And did those see you? Alright, I will see you around. Have a nice day. Oops, not that direction. One. Right, okay. I guess that. I think these work as targets. What do you guys think? Huh. Alright, that's kind of cool. Let's get ourselves some colors. Target spheres. So then we can recolor. Actually, come on. Let's get our beams colored first, actually. Who would know? Oh, the Boolean solver did some weird things to this. Interesting. It's fine. It does its job. Oh, is that a new profile picture? Actually, we're gonna invert, assign, invert again, assign. Okay. Beams. We can set to like a... We want these to draw attention, but they want to be low point. Quite some big eyes you have, Wookie. Neon green. What does this look like? Not bad. No, target spheres. Yes, of course. Indeed you do. Let us see. That doesn't even draw attention to them at all. Neon green like my eyes. I love it. I don't like this green though. It needs soft. It needs to be softer. My big eyes. Big green eyes. I don't... What if we do a hard red as this? Like, ooh, what would a... interesting. Okay. Not that. I'm trying to make a laser. How would you make a laser? Let's see. A laser is slightly transparent, so let's do that. Blend. Okay. That's kind of like it. There we go. Do that. That's kind of laser-like. Oh, geez. That's cursed, though. Why does it do that? Please, why? I don't like that it does that. Livy, how's it going? Harrison, hey, what's up? Oh my goodness, I don't like why it does that. Why does it do that? Okay, oh, because there's a Guys, I'm dumb. Yeah, it should look better now. No? What? Like, why does it look like that? Why does it do that? There's no face there. So confused. Where are these? Hold up. Are these not evenly spaced? Let me fix that. Give me a minute. Why are these not evenly spaced? Let's see. Nope. Bless you. Let's. You're eating breakfast at 3 o'clock in the evening. Afternoon? Evening? Whatever it is. What? Harrison, why? Why would you do this to yourself? Oh, there's a face there. That explains it. That's how I can fix it. Why, Harrison? Why? Oh my goodness. Alright. Excellent faces. Okay, that's better. I worked until 2 a.m. last night, so I woke up at almost 1 p.m. Okay. That's a fair reason why. What are you having for your awesome breakfast of the evening? I've made all the targets blue. I think we should keep it white or blue. So, let's see. Oh. Okay, that doesn't look half bad. Wait, though, why does this happen? Do they just not join? Teresa cheesy eggs on toast. That sounds very yummy. I love that. Oh, I see what I need to do. Yeah, these are not moved properly. Oh, okay, I guess I grabbed only 3 vertices and didn't realize it. It does really sound so good, I agree. Oh, I can't do that. Okay. Oh, rude, do you want? Alright, that seems about right. These are close enough now. But why does it do this? This is kind of annoying. It's like they have different normals or something, which does not make sense. Odd. Very odd. Very good. 5 pounds of really nice treat. You got it from work. Oh. Lots of cheese. Absolutely all the cheese. Oh, wait, no. Chorizo. All the meat. Wait. Now I'm confused. That's nice. Either way, though. That's very cool. Okay, who thinks this works? Does this work as a target? I think these work as targets. Actually, let's just... Yeah, because then they'll just turn red once they've been shot at. Why am I making multiple? This is such a horribly dumb idea. I think we'll figure out how this works. We'll somehow make it work. Board off our menu and a ton of slimy and stuff. Oh, that's pretty cool. I love that. That's awesome. You managed to do that somehow. Wow. All the food free from work. Perfect. Okay, we can delete that. All right, so we have our second target. This will be like the ducks. You know, the ducks you always see in the shooting galleries where they just kind of slowly move across the screen. Or, yeah, not screen, because they're normally real. Is that how you spell? Livy's having a crisis over here. Poor ducks indeed. Hence we replaced them with little spheres. That's the reason. These are gonna have to infinitely generate and go across, which shouldn't be that hard. Spelling is dumb, I agree. Happia! How are you doing? What's up? Welcome to this stream. Spelling is extraordinarily dumb, though. Honestly. Spelling, worst subject. 10 out of 10. Would never do again. Please. Send me back. Send me back. Okay. We have a few things now. Actually, let's go look up some inspiration. So if we look at... I know you guys can't see, but shooting gallery... Doing wonderful as per usual. I'm really glad for you then. You should be wonderful, because you're worth it. I'm glad. What you up to? Or whatever. These shooting galleries are not very helpful. Never heard of that. What is shining in the word of that? Agreed. I've never heard of it either. Cards. Stacks of things. Stacks of things. So there's like something that stacks up and never comes back. Okay, but I don't know. Okay, I want to see the Disneyland shooting gallery because this is the one I'm thinking of. Disneyland shooting gallery. Let's see what it looks like. Please. Okay. It's just mostly a bunch of targets around a scene. Okay, I don't like that. Honestly, Smay. Honestly, Smay. Gotta be honest there. Oh, so it's a bunch of things that trigger things. Okay, in like the environment. Yeah. Okay, I think I like what we have so far. We're gonna roll with this. I tapped away from the stream for a second, thought my hearing was going out. Did it mute when you tabbed out? Oh no. Your hearing's fine, I promise. Everything's fine. Oh. I'll just start speaking softer and softer and softer till you can't hear me. Also, YouTube is being really weird. Like, the viewer count number it's giving me has been jumping up and down and up and down and up and down. I think YouTube is very confused. Or maybe it's only when you're tabbed in. It counts. I have no idea. My brain is struggling. It's hilarious. Okay. About that. Harrison, about that. No. I don't have a stereo mic. I can't do that. It just doesn't work that way. It doesn't work. You need the stereo mic. You, on the other hand, have a stereo mic. I have my singular dynamic mic that I love to death. When Twitch is already confusing on what counts as a viewer, rip indeed. I think it... Oh no, it was just a glitch in YouTube's analytics. Never mind. It corrected itself. I think YouTube is just struggling. I'm going to stop watching the count. Hi, Fishy. Welcome back. Okay. Also, hey guys, can I just say, isn't it great that when you join a stream on YouTube, you get to read all of the chat? It just sends you the entire chat that's existed. I don't know. Twitch kind of doesn't do that. Unless you're a mod, in which case it does. I don't know. I just thought that was kind of interesting. Okay. I think we have enough things. Let's make ourselves a box that we're going to do this in. Or just manage to get mod. You see, become mod in every single chat you're ever going to be in. Then you won't have to worry. They'll all load in. Makes sense. Wait. What? That doesn't work? What are you talking about? Oh, it does. Okay. I can't click that fast. I'd rather just drag. But oh, interesting. Because what I was pointing out, by the way, guys, there's a little number here. And you can just... So this menu is opened by period. So if you hit, like, period 6, period 5, or period 8, see it switched. But I prefer to just drag because that's easier for me. But... No. 2. That looks like a shooting gallery. Big, massive rectangular prism. That looks like a shooting gallery. Yep, exactly. It is a shooting gallery. Let's put a hole in this. Shooting galleries tend to be like what? They have an opening here. Then they have what? Then they have like a let's see. Then they have something that opens up behind the little desk where you shoot from. And then you can screw back. Okay, that this looks like a shooting gallery. This works. Let's see how close to the back is it. Let's just use all the building we can. Shooting gallery. All right, I'm done with the world being plain. Let's add ourselves an environment texture in. Okay, open. By the way, fun fact: where you guys are seeing the file thing is not where it actually is. Where my mouse is where I'm dragging it around. I put it so it's a window capture instead of a screen capture, so I just kind of placed it in a nice spot so it'll stay there, which is nice. I want an HDRI. Okay. I need something. This lighting is kind of diverse. You guys, look, we're in the middle of a parking lot. It's very pixely. I normally download like 2K HDRIs because I don't need quality and reflections. I just need processing speed. Because I don't really care about exactly how everything reflects in a scene, especially like this, which is going to be used for a game. Let's see what a normal camera would do. Let's open it to like 70 millimeters, like any normal game would. And let's place it over there. Look at how tiny our camera looks in comparison to this thing. It's a 50-meter building. I think we're going to need to shrink that. Or just not worry about scale. Oh, other way. What? Okay. I think we gotta scale it. Not working. We're gonna scale things down. Though I think yeah, that's too big. 0.5. Okay, we're gonna leave it right there. Because this should be okay. And our X value should just be 0. Let's make it easy on me. Okay. Ooh. Alright. Our field of... Wait a minute. I just realized. The person's going to be able to move their camera. They're going to be like, oh, no. Oh, why am I moving not around the origin? My mistake. You're like, oh, look over there. Oh, look over there. There's something to shoot at. Oh, look, there's a car. No, okay. We're gonna place the person right here. Why? Okay, this looks so not right. What? I just realized that me being dumb didn't put it in the field of view units. Okay. There's 90, which is like hyper normal. Right? I'm pretty sure 90 is like a hyper normal FOV. Normal is 70, which is like that. There's default Minecraft. And then 90 is the larger field of view. I'm gonna have to do this back in the game engine when I'm doing that, but as for now, we're going to leave it like this as is. Thinking. Very interesting. Okay. I think we're gonna leave it like this. And let's make a material for this. Actually. Ooh, I hate that. There we go. And we can put another one. And we can put 2 stripes. By the way, most of this is going to have to get texture baked for the game, which basically means that it takes the materials as is and makes them into a texture that you can wrap around the object itself instead of making it like this, a model which is covered with a bunch of random like faces for different materials and such. Chatting. All right. Let's building. And then here we can say lighting. Honestly, I think what we're going to do do some special stuff. Let me grab some colors, which I have saved. There it is. That was meant to be lighting one. It's fine. We can do that quickly. And then for this one, we can do the other color. Yep, there we go. Lighting. Lighting 2. Ah, look at that. There we go. Pretty stuff. Okay. Let's do emission for these and for these. This is what rendered looks like. Okay, let's turn on that. We do that. I don't like that. It changes the scale. Maybe a little further down. Nope. Up there. Nope. There. I think we're gonna leave it there, and then we can move this stripe up a little bit because I don't like it sitting this low. Okay. That's all right. There we go. We got some colors, some of the special pinstripes, and maybe we can brighten them to double that, which will kind of blow out their colors, but it's fine. It's a light. Building. Let's make this maybe not pitch black. Let's make it metallic. That looks a little more pretty. I don't think this environment is exactly proper for this. Do I have a nice HDRI that would work with this? That wasn't exactly the nice HDRI I was looking for, was it? I want a space one. I want to be in the middle of space. So Dark Storm, I think, is a pretty good. I think that's a pretty good filler. That should work. Let's see what we can do. If we were to put, yeah, no, this works. This should be fine. I think this looks kind of cool already. It's so simple. Why does it look cool? It's legitimately so simple. How does it look cool? Like, just, I'm so confused. So legitimately confused. It's fine. It works. It works. It works. All right. We got ourselves a little bit of a building. Now, let's make ourselves maybe some beveled areas that... Whoa, I did not mean to bevel that. Bevel slightly, because those are areas the player interacts with, or like visually interacts with. We can bevel the walls. Well, that's kind of cool. How about we bevel it more, turn it to 2. Do that. That gives the space a little more depth. It's not so boxy. I like that. Yeah, it's a good cheating gallery shape, I think. Very nice. Now, if we were to add anything, what did we do? This color does not work with this. I think we're just gonna go to straight white for this target. Most things that are targeted are just bright white anyways, and the blue is only an accent here. Yeah, leave the targets lit up. Because in dark space, that should be the most contrasting thing. Though the beams are a little dark. Not that. We want them a little more transparent, I think. Yeah. Look how pink they get. Glowing hot red. It gets completely pink. Look how tiny the camera looks next to this area. Whoa, whoa, look at this. There's a shooting gallery. Ooh, there's some stuff behind me. Alright. I think everything's going to have to scale this all 0.5. Ah. There we go. That's 0.5. Yeah. Maybe not the train. Scale the train back. I think the train, no. Scale 0.25. What does the gun look like in a player's hand? Let's not do that. Let's just do this. And that. Over here. Oh, that not where it is. Well, let's maybe add in. How tall is a person? Let's make a person 2 meters tall because, I mean, yeah, 6'4". Isn't everybody 6'4"? Obviously. Me? I am not. I am not 6'4", for the record. Extras. Where's the pill shape? Literally that one pill shape. Where is it? Oh, capsules. Capsule. There we go. We can widen this up, I think. Just in count. Why did you add it? Bruh. Actually, it's gonna be a low poly because it doesn't actually have collisions. Actually, no. Back. I like this. Let's just make it 2 meters tall. And we can make it a little thinner because it's kind of weird. 0.5. That's far too skinny. Tallness, indeed. 1 point. Not that. 2 meters. 1. Alright, let's scale this down. Wow, that's 2 meters. It's 50 meters. It's kind of a bit. Okay, scale 0.5. That looks more to scale. What's normal? Anything have a normal scale? Alright, is this normal? That's not normal. Scale 1.25. Nope, 1.5. That's not it. Let's just kind of put everything back at 1. And then we can make a duplicate that is properly to scale with the rest of the scene. I don't know why I can't do math, but it's weird. You go from 1, you're like, oh, 0.8. And you try to go back and you're like, oh, this isn't working right. Is everything back at 1? No. So I can at least uniformly scale things. Okay. And parent object. And no. Let's put the camera right where the eyes would be. Let's not go into it. Okay, perfect. There's our little character. Look at this little guy. I think it's still a little big for him though. Might need a stool. Actually, there are normally. This is 2 meters. Very standing. This is now small though. How about we just lower the counter to a reasonable height, you know? Because having a big shooting gallery is not a bad thing. Actually, this isn't going to get rendered. Why am I adding material? Look, we got it. Okay. This looks about right. It's a very tall. What is 6 meters? That's kind of tall. 20 feet. It's kind of a bit in the sky. Could be a little freaky. 5 meters. That is what? 16 feet. Still quite a bit in the sky. Okay. Let's get this shrunk down a little bit more even. Oh, okay. I'm starting to get an actual perspective for what this area looks like. This is now 4 meters tall, which is 13 feet. What's 10 feet? 3 meters. Okay. Oh, I just realized we pushed something into the ground. 1 second. Let's just erase these. Lower it a bit more. Maybe we can raise this a bit and then lower our entire structure. I think we have the entire structure. Okay, down. We're at 3.19. And we can remove this loop. All right. Awesome. Lower this down. And we can raise that one a bit. That, I think, is more reasonable. Because that's a little over 10 feet tall. We could still raise it a tiny bit. I think I pushed it a little too far down. But not by much. You can just... what? 3.5 should be around 12 feet. Yeah, okay. That's cool. That is about where we want it. Look at our guy go. We have our little shooting gallery, and now we can bring everything into perspective. Let's grab ourselves a gun. And give it to our little man. Not scale one direction, scale all directions. Now you hold it in your hand, technically like back here. That looks a little big. How about like that? Okay. Say you hold it in your hand like right there. I mean, that's not it. Let's stretch your arm out a little bit. Honestly, we could just put it in front of the character, but that looks kind of very weird. How about we take this down to our 70 field of view? And that's okay. That works. That's pretty accurate. Let's see. Our lowest field of view would be like 40. And our highest would be 120, I guess. That starts to look weird there, though. So what happens if we go to 90? Yeah, I think we're gonna just have to set the top to 90 and then like normal to 70 and then close to like 50? 60. Yeah. I think we're gonna just set 3 preset field of views and we'll leave it at 70 for the actual development here. Cool. So our final scale is 0.08. That is much smaller. What? And take all this. Scale 0.08. And then here's our little scale world. Look at our little scale world full of things. Full of things for development. Which we can throw into our scene and create. Alright. That's pretty awesome. I'm excited. This is exactly what I've been looking for. Oof. Time to create something great. Time to throw together a scene. So, our little train. No, we need a low poly landscape. What am I doing? We're not making just any normal gallery shooter. It's going to have a nice environment. Let's see. Some 80s. You know, those like 80s neon worlds. I'm gonna base it off of that kind of. We know triangles always get used in those. But also, I don't want like normal triangle mountains, so I think we're gonna go for like a low poly mountain. Probably. That should work. That should be nice. we can hope. I think that would be kind of cool. All right. Add in some little low poly mountain. We can add with that. Oh yeah, actually, just these looks kind of cool terrain-wise. Building. Ooh, that's really shiny. Let's make the building a little less shiny. No, let's not make it a little less shiny. It looks cooler shiny. What am I talking about? No. All right. Wait, why is the person right here? Maybe I need to move the camera forward a tiny bit more. You're gonna have the gun follow the camera. Why? 106.3. Actually, let's see. If we grab our character and rotate. Okay, I think this works. This looks a little more realistic to me. Yeah, look how long this guy's arms are. Just look at that. And yeah, that was kind of a dumb move. Not gonna lie, because this is just not gonna get rendered. There we go. Duh. Yeah, there's maybe no render there. And let's put one of the mountains over here. Kind of phasing into the side, isn't it? Yeah, it's fine. We can... Ooh, I like it. Okay. And... Ooh, right there. Like a little bridge with a train to follow. That is the train engine. That was not what I meant to grab. I meant to grab the track. How about if we add something here that kind of indicates that the train is coming? Like, sign... Yeah, if we put some lights on there, that would be kind of cool. But I don't think I really want that color. Track light. Bottom. We can attach maybe... This glows. Why? And then... Wait, you're on stream on Twitch. But you have Twitch notice on. Samo? Did I miss something? Maybe I did. Did a Twitch notification go through? Oh yeah, I combined my Streamlabs, didn't I? Wait, 1 second. Does that show here? Oh, that's funny. That is great. We'd love to see it. Yeah, I combined my Streamlabs recently, and I just, I don't know. I didn't know that it would do that. I also really don't mind at the moment, because my Twitch isn't, like, a thing. Bunk. You know? That is funny, though. Thank you for pointing that out. My intuition said that, yeah, it did, in fact. I just realized that. I meant to have my Streamlabs dashboard up on the top. But I don't know why you'd follow. I mean, thank you for the follow. But I don't know why anybody would follow me on Twitch when I'm, you know, not streaming on Twitch. But also alright. At the same time. Fair enough. Fair enough. Let's make this a different color. What colors work with the scene? Actually, let's turn our emission off. and select these. Get these colored, right? All right. What color shall I do? Hmm. This is a hard thing. Train is blue, so like a purple, purple. I like purple. It looks cool. I think it goes with the ambiance. Let's emission this up. Maybe not that much. Or like that. Trains are not really symbolized by the color purple, but you know, at the same time, it's fine. I don't mind. It works. It's fine. This is still very confusing, though. Oh, I see what I... No. Okay, let's just move this over here. We can change the color at any time. I need to stop thinking about that. 45. Move this straight over there. Right? Yeah. 45, so we can just edit the path. And they can go... Why am I doing this the hard way? There's an easy way to do this. I can add myself a little bit of... Where is it? Curve. User. And no. This needs to be rotated. Global. What? I can't. Extrude. And then we can extrude that and turn over there. Perfect. Just like we want. Nice, nice, nice. I see, I see. Nice. We can then get this an array. No, 1 in that direction. 0 in that, 1 in that. Nope. Maybe not 1 in that direction. The oopsies. 180. And then we can add a curve modifier and tell it to follow track curve. Where did it go? Okay. That's a little weird. Maybe that wasn't what I wanted. Why does it not? Oh. Is that... Oh, that totally follows it. Alrighty. Alrighty, folks. That is what we were looking for. And... maybe not along that axis. That's also not along that axis. No. I do want it. I just sneezed. Among Us. Bless you. How's it going? Alright. That's a train track. Ooh. Need to make a little entrance into the mountains. But this is it. Let's edit the curve, though, to make it so the train goes immediately into a corner. So you don't really see it leave. Make sure we're not scaled along the Z. Not that either. Extrude C. And alrighty. I don't think this is a good color though. It needs brighter. Though why is the black so dark? I think we need to make this one stand out a little bit more. Yeah, like that. That seems to work. Maybe a little less, a little more rough. 0.8 was perfectly fine. It works. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is a big thinking game, honestly, at this point. Oh, that's why I don't normally switch it. So, today, what I did was I switched my sound over to just a normal plug in my computer instead of my actual mixer, because I was like, oh, I'm going to go and listen to the music because I'm not with anybody, nor am I playing like a, you know, game of any sorts where I would need it, you know. But here I am over here just like, well, maybe it would have been a better idea to keep it because alerts go through there. Now here are alerts there. So smart. So smart. Not really. But it's okay. We make it. We make it. Also, fix the Twitch notifications thing. That's why I've been sitting here like this. I just didn't even realize that it would do that. I was like, oh, you know, well, I'd be fine. Because I merged the two accounts. And then it was like, well, you see, about that, you're going to get both. And I'm like, alright, cool. I am just a few brain cells off today. Okay, so we have a track, which this will follow. Get. We can add. I don't know if I really want to do a tiered system, because I think this is probably better not in a tiered system. Probably just like as an environment. I think so. Yeah. Okay. I don't really have a map design for this, so this is a little hard on the spot. I like how this looks. I think we need to drop, though, a pillar at one point or another. Otherwise, it's just going to be floating midair, and that, it's a little not the best. Let's just drop one at x equals 0. Right at the middle. As you should. I don't know what this x value is. Let's find it. And bring x to 0. We have ourselves a little pillar. Building color. Perfect. Love it. Love to see it. Now, this the plan for this light, by the way, is that it'll just kind of go womp womp womp, like right as the train's about to cross, which would be cool. And just to like give the player an idea of when the train is approaching. So actually we need to make ourselves a little hole in the wall. Otherwise, we're not gonna have any kind of logic going on. We should scale this down to a proper scale. And move it over here. Because working on it out here will be easier. Yeah, like that. Let's make ourselves a little hole in the wall. How am I to do this? You're thinking normal circular? No, like a circular tube. No, we can do a tube actually. That would be cooler. Though we can frame it with a cube like this. Why? There we go. Yeah, I like that. We can separate this, Boolean it out. Difference, apply. Perfect. And on this end, we can make ourselves a little bit of a bevel. I think that would work. And then on this one, we can bevel it once. Twice? Twice. Though I don't really like that. Hold up. Let's try this again. And extrude 0, scale shift Y, scale it up. And we can... Okay. Sorry, game dev is kind of a hard to vocalize thing as I do it. But I think what I'm going to do is make a little bit of a tube, bevel this over. No, because if I do that, it's just going to... How about we extrude this back? Bevel this edge. Move it like in that... No. Move it in that direction. That's okay. But the bevel needs to be bigger. And then we need to extrude it like that. That looks more cool. Then we can move this group of faces back. Just like that. There we go. That is something that I'm happy with. And we can make this all like the building material because it's the building. And then we can add lamp. Actually, lighting. Lighting. And we can set it here so there's a little ring light for the entrance of the tunnel. Alright. I think that looks kind of cool. And if we put it into the scene, let's see what it looks like. And up we go. And rotate it to match. Ooh, that's not to match. Okay. The train's gonna hit the top though. I think that's fine. Don't like how that's not exactly lined up properly. That is a little annoying. I don't think we're lined up. And also, how are we going to cut this out? Let's do a test. Let's duplicate these and bring them out here. If we boolean this and make a... if we, let's see, if we boolean these together, union, that, no, yeah. Difference, y, what do we get? We get a cutout where we have 1, 2, 3. I think this works. We can delete all these faces out that we don't need. Exit those. And we can lower this one a bit. Oh. Why, look at that. That is perfect. All right. Well, not perfect. It's a little sloppy for a game, but I think it's perfect for now as our little bit of a mock-up design. All right. That's sick. Rotate this back. Uh-oh. Forgot. Gotta duplicate both because I didn't join them for some reason. Join. There we go. Actually, shoot. Let's go back a second. Let's make sure we have an extra mountain sitting around. You know, everybody has to have an extra mountain. If you don't have an extra mountain, what are you doing? So we have one that is normal, just in case we need the backup. Origin geometry. Origin geometry. What? That's origin geometry? Okie doke. It's just a lot of geometry there, I guess. This is just about where we need it. Move it there. The train will go through the tunnel. Now for the true test. Okay, this looks good. This looks good. I like how it looks. Oh, we should probably get these booleaned out of this. Oh, I meant to do the duplicate mesh, but that would make things messy. So, boolean difference with those building mountain with tunnel, and then L2. And then we can't, oops, not that. We want this to boolean with that. Look at that, and we can take out the excess geometry at the bottom, because this is not needed. And then we can do the same thing with this one to make sure that we have no weird hanging out geometry. So that's annoying. Make sure I didn't delete that at the front. I did not. And we have ourselves a little area for the train to go through, spawn and despawn in. Now if we duplicate the train and put it right here. Alright, rotate 90. Let's get it aligned with the track. And okay. Oh my goodness, that thing is very not obvious. I think I need to get some light in here. Let's get some lights in here. Let's get some powerful, like 200-watt lights. All right. Let's see, negative 55. Nope. Does that kind of works? I mean, it ruins the dark atmosphere though. Maybe if we bring these down to like 50 watt lights? Provides enough little atmosphere lighting? Maybe. Maybe this will work. And, oh, they're just completely casting shadows now. Maybe that wasn't the right idea. Neither of these cast shadows. And then we can put one here behind the player. That, I guess, 2 meters, 200 watts. Maybe not 2 meters. And just add a little bit of light to the area. That's so much light. 50. A little bit of light, I guess, for the effect. Oh, we could make this into a rectangle and put a little strip of light at the top. Yeah, like that. Look at that. And that there. Let's make this like a 200 watt light. Nope. Maybe a 100 watt light. Yeah, let's make these colored to make this scene a little interesting. And make them rectangles. And make them 2 meters tall. That, I think, will give it a little bit of depth. Oops. 1, 2. Make this one pure blue. I don't think we're getting very much light from these in the scene. What if I... Yeah, this light is very annoying. Let's just make it a quick filler kick. Make these more like 150 watt lights. And let their mood tone stuff kind of fill the scene. That just looks weird. Why does that look so weird? Huh. It's not very diffused. It's probably why it looks weird. Lighting scenes is annoying sometimes. Not going to lie. 90. 0. 90. Negative 90. Negative 90. Just move these down a little bit. Maybe we could then make... No, I think this is the only way we can do it. We're gonna do this idea. No, I don't think this is exactly what we want. What to think? What to think? Anybody want to unconfuse me here? Because this is confused. So this is just beyond my brain capacity at the moment, I guess. Oh my goodness. Okay. Lighting the scene. Simply. Kick. A. 2. Maybe if we make this like 5. Do that. 2. 4. Let's see what a widescreen render of this looks like. That's what it's gonna look like. Let's just take all the wires out. This scene doesn't look half bad, but it looks a little underloved, I guess. Because it looks like to me that we're missing a few things. Let's see if we play with this light. It looks more well lit now, but you lose the atmosphere that it had before. Just this, but it still looks bland. I think the floor needs recolored. Because this floor is very not it. Darker floor. You can just assign like pure black to it. Make it not reflect anything. That might be it. I don't think this purple is the right vibe though. Not blaming it on the purple. If we recolor this, we get what? orange. Let's see what the orange looks like. All right, now that fits slightly more. Let's make this blue blast a little bit of color. I don't think that's really a good solution. Maybe brightening the paint a little bit is, though. Yeah, I don't like that color, but that's the direction we need to go. We need to brighten the paint a little bit. And make it more like that. Okay. Yeah, I think the brighter paint color is good, but we're still a little, weird. Like, look at this color. This color doesn't look quite right. Purple. I think it's the lighting. Let's soften the colors. If we soften the colors halfway, I think we'll get a better lighting situation. Yep. Look at that. Actually, we're going to go backwards. Let's get this color back to its original color. I like the orange. So let's just go back. Maybe soften these colors to 0.75. And we'll get slightly softer reds and very much softer blues. And, okay. That lighting is a little less biased towards colors. That's helpful. I'm glad. This is what we wanted. Much better. Much better. Now that we have some brighter lighting here, we can make the track a little bit darker. Not that much darker, but make it more like... Is this just the building? That is just the building. Okay. This is what we're going for. I like it. Like, look, if the train, let's say, is... Wait, how... Oh. FDGX 0.34. Like 5 little cars long. And just go... Yes. That looks much better. Now we can add in some more targets. Let's have the drone fly in from where? Because the drone has to have some sort of path that it follows. It needs to continue along a route which we have designed. Or it could just randomly appear and fly. No, that sounds like a very bad idea. Oh, actually, you know what? It's a delivery drone, and you're shooting down people's deliveries. How kind, right? But we could make a little area for it to land over here. One. Let's see. 2, 5. Hi, how are you doing? Most of everyone, I think, is pretty AFK at the moment, but we may see. Pretty good, actually. It's been fun. I'm just doing a little design, as always. Let's put that there. And what do I do? What do I do? Red. Why did I just... Okay. Glowing red. I can type so well today. If we make a little red here, I think we'll get exactly what we need. Let's be a little destination for... I don't like how that is. Pretty good just moving my entire PC downstairs, which would be difficult considering the current lack of stairs in the staircase. You know, lack of stairs would make walking down the stairs kinda difficult. I'm just gonna take a wild guess there. But that's awesome. Glad it's downstairs now. It probably makes things a lot easier. Am I dropping? Uh-oh. Internet is kind of... Oh, no. Please, internet, don't do that again. Alright. It appears I am dropping, so sorry, give the stream a second. Hopefully it'll catch back up. Hate my internet sometimes. It's kind of annoying, not gonna lie. Come on, computer, you can do it. Come on. What is my internet doing? Why is it doing this? I literally have no explanation for why my internet's doing this. I really hate living with bad internet. It is literally my least favorite thing. Hey Chev, how are you? Sorry if the stream looks literally horrible right now. For some reason, my internet is deciding to drop frames. Hopefully this is audible. But the stream itself probably is not getting frames. I just dropped like 2,000 frames in the last minute because my internet isn't working right. Why? Why me? It shouldn't be that hard. It's literally 2 megs up. It can't maintain that. I don't know what it's about. It's so annoying. Oh, that face exists, I guess. That's not what was meant to be there. Let's try that again. If this doesn't work, I'm... Oh my goodness. Why is it not working? It's not that bad? Okay. I've dropped 3,000 frames in the last few minutes, so it seems pretty bad to me. But, I mean, if you guys say it seems fine, let me know. Though you probably have horrible delay now. What is with this? Why is it doing what it's doing? I don't get it. With that hard internet, you can just... no, more like 4,000 now. 4,000 dropped frames. I don't know. Why the heck? It's just being inconsistent, and it shouldn't have been, it should not be doing this because it's continuously doing it. YouTube delay is not always horrible. YouTube chat delay is horrible. There's a difference, I promise you. YouTube delay is about 3 seconds. YouTube chat delay is about another 3 or 4 seconds. It's like 9 seconds. Now, our delay is probably forever and a half. 300 frames. Okay, this is horrible. Please stabilize internet. Okay, it's just gonna be like that, isn't it? Here, I'm just gonna change to the technical difficulties screen until it recovers. Please. Here, let's take the motion graphic out of it. And let it try and stabilize, because if it has less, it has to use less internet. Please stabilize, please. It is not maintaining. Let's drop 5,000 frames now. Okay. That's really annoying. Why did this pop out of nowhere? It's really not that hard. Why, internet? Why does my internet do this? Let's see. I don't know. Can you guys understand what I'm saying? If you can hear this, just say, yeah, I can hear you. I don't know. I've dropped like 6,000 frames. That's a few too many for the last few seconds. Or seconds, minutes. But I'm pretty sure the delay is like an hour and a half. So I might just restart on my end and see if it fixes itself. Because it is having a struggle. Audio through Screen fine, just the video is bad. Yeah, I kind of guessed. Here, I'm just gonna stop streaming on my end. You'll see the same thing. You'll just see it kind of stop. Oh yeah, that was a long delay. I'm just gonna restart the stream on my end on OBS. You should just see it buffer in between, and hopefully that will fix it. I'm gonna get my computer, my internet. Oh no, that is so much not better. What the heck? Alright, 1 second. I'm gonna see if I can fix something. Oh, I figured it out. We should be back. Something was getting uploaded somewhere else in the house, which we have like no upload. So we should be better now. Hi guys. Let's go back to Blender. That was a chaotic part of the stream for today. I guess we need one in every single day. I'd love to see it. Oopsies. I wish we had better internet, but you know what? It's fine. We survive with what we have, and it works. It does the job. Why do we have a split face like this? Yeah, I know, right? Why did that face do that? Let's fix this. Let's thin out this platform because it looks chonky right now. Don't look at that. There, less chunky. And bad Wi-Fi. Yeah, welcome to, for some reason, Southern California has bad Wi-Fi. Don't know why. It shouldn't. Literally one of the best places, like, anywhere, and for some reason we have bad Wi-Fi. Like, what kind of a combination is that? How is that possible? Alright, but it's fine. We're back. Everything should be fine. I'm dropping less frames by the minute, as in 0. So the percentage is just consistently dropping. Perfect. That's really nice. And those are all the floor bits. Building sign. It's supposed to be good Wi-Fi, except it always lies when you need. No, I know I have bad Wi-Fi. I legitimately have what, like 2 megs up. That's pretty much the worst Wi-Fi around here. Though I've definitely seen worse. It's pretty bad. This will land there. That works. I like that. And cool. 0.05. Though I think the problem is everybody's working from home and it's stressing the internet out, and it's like an old backbone. It worked really well before. It was really consistent. It even let us have, I think, more than we had before. And now it's like, no, we have too many people at home doing work and using up a ton of bandwidth. And it's like, oh, okay, thanks, I guess. No. Alright, let's put this over here. I love how I have everything moving from right to left in this scene. This is very linear. Actually, I might not continue that pattern. Remember during APCs, my Wi-Fi decided to cut out every 10 minutes. It was super... Yeah. No, like, when everybody uses it, the internet's just like, haha, what? You called? It's so weird. Oh, we can just lower it in from the ceiling, I guess? Oh, I could... Ah, big brain. Okay, so here's my idea. No. Just do this, put that there. And ourselves in a little tube. Get a little tube right there. Perfect. This is going to be where the little drones come in. Oh, the floor is... Yeah, forgot about that. The floor is not very thick. There we go. We can duplicate that. 3 up. And we can cut this hole. It's kind of a weird workflow, but it works. Because these are low poly items, so we want everything to be nice and snug. Why is this how it is now? It used to be that you could, you know, control 0.5. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Oopsies. Oh, that was a little bit more down than I wanted it to be. It's fine because we can just do this and move it here. And now we have a tube. And we're going to make part of this tube see-through. Because we don't want all of it to be... Because that will show stuff. But we can make this part of the tube... Not this part of the tube. Not this part. What? What's selected? I don't know what's selected. Is the inside not subdivided? Oh, that's what it is. Where's the middle of that? Oh, there it is. Let's make this. And then we can do scale Z 0. And we can make ourselves a very transparent little tube. Metal. Nope. Tube. Tube. Sign. Building. And we have ourselves a tube. Perfect. We can make this tube transparent now. Make it see-through so people can see what's going on. Alpha blend. I forgot that it does that. I don't know what the render engine in Godot looks like, but it probably will look a little bit better. This isn't the best, but we can work with it. And rebuild the mesh, rebuild the mesh, rebuild the mesh. And find the loop. Hello? Thank you. There's the loop. And we can assign that. And you see, that doesn't look very good. Like, it's the problem with this is that the single solver is not meant to do this. Not the single solver, the quote unquote alpha clip model not Alpha Clip, sorry. Alpha Blend model is not built for this. Though it looks like it's handling it better now. Okay. I can live with that any day. Nice. Look at this. Guys, look at this. I like it. This is something I'm happy with. Though, whoa. Is there a ring here? Let's make ourselves a little bit of a ring here too. Because this being transparent is a little trippy. Wait, but that's on the inside now. I mean, just do scales at 0. And we can put our little ring in as the black material. And then having that here. Press keyboard ASMR. Yeah, that's kind of what my workflow is. That's, by the way, that's with noise suppression, so the noise is softer than it normally would be. I remember listening back to some of my older videos before I figured out that that was a thing that you could do. You know, that was very loud, and I did not appreciate my old self for not realizing that there was noise suppression built into OBS so that I would record audio that doesn't come with keyboard clicks. But then again, I started ditching that recently because now I have stuff. ASMR. No. I'm glad you like it. Kick W indeed. I agree. Let's see. I don't like this. This needs to be chrome. No. Nope, I definitely like it the old way. It's much better blending in. Never mind. It blend in good. Let's join these together. Merge by. And now I can rule the world. Now I can scale these without messing anything else up. What am I selected on? Alright, time to look because I have to do stuff. I'll be back. Okay, no worries. Good luck with whatever stuff you have to do. You YouTube emotes. Hey. They are better than the old Google emotes. If you remember those, it's so much better than that. So, that I'm thankful for. I was gonna go. Have an amazing day. You too. Bye. Okay, but in a chat setting specifically. They weren't great in a chat setting. Do you remember the animated ones? Do they not have those anymore? I'm not very up to date, I guess. Do you think this would fit? No, it would not. Scale 1.2. Let's see. 1, 5, 2. This would fit, right? Yeah, that would fit. Okay. Oh, by the way, when I'm saying would it fit, I'm saying with this. Nope. Why? Okay, I guess we're doing it that way. Oh, that looks kind of cool. Oh, wait, the animated stickers. Yes, now I remember them. Look at that. That's exactly what I wanted. Like, it just kind of goes... Nyom. 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 And then it drops down. Nyom. Perfect. Okay. Actually, we can delete that. make multiple end little sections here. Because we'll need one, not even a launch platform. The animated well, not the animated stickers on Google Hangouts. Oh, then no, I don't know what you're talking about. Interesting. I wonder what I'm forgetting. Oh, is this a curved wall? Oh, that's a curved wall. Okay. Where's the 2.5. No, yeah, that's it. All right. And we have a second landing platform for them to go to. Little meow. I think what we have to do for this one is have a place where they drop into the scene. So what I'm going to do is be super creative and put another pipe with which they come out of. Probably from the ceiling. Though I think if we're going to do this, they have to launch at... Actually, here's an idea. Action scene. Well, so... Oh, wait. I told you the concept of the game, right, Jeff? I can't remember if I did or not. Off the top of my head, I don't know if I did. I put the green going. Yes. I sent like one of them in random pictures. Ooh. Okay, let me go look. Oh, those. Yeah, those. Okay. I do not remember those out of my memory. But I remember seeing... I think I remember seeing them at some point. And they're great. Yes, shooting target thing. Oh my goodness, why is this... Oh, duh, that's why it's green. That's why it's not green. But, yeah. So this is just going to be part of the scene. Because I want it to be like an interesting one. I don't want it to just be like, oh... They just kind of exist. Everything just kind of, you know, it's a thing. You shoot at things. How interesting. Like, that's boring. This, so I never explained these to you, I don't think, but we have a train which will travel through the scene. I mean, like a normal, I've seen a train in most every, like, gallery shooter. Normal targets, pop-up targets, like, normal targets recharge and are, like, 10-second recharges, and the game is either a minute, I think it's a minute long, or 5 minute. There'll be, like, 2 different play styles, I think. That sounds right. Making this up as I go. There'll be like a minute and a 5 minute play style. Each of which you have different high scores. But, you know, shoot at the train to, like, get these lights off. Though I think what I'm going to have to do is also make a little cargo Yeah, I should do that. Let's get this over here. Oh, I just realized this one's cut. Alright, well, I've lost the original forever. It's fine. Okay. Let's make an array of these, so I have a little more track space to work with. And it's just 0.34. Yeah. Like that. Let's make this wait. Okay. Scale with that. And we can make these scale down to here. But perfect. Oh, there's the phone. Right on schedule. Oh no, not that. Perfect. I think we can just delete the rest of this on top of that. There we go. And we're gonna make a little... What happened? did I do? I had something selected on this side. There we go. There we go. We can make ourselves a little platform car. And then we can do there. What? And there. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need that for reference. And now we can delete. Oopsies. Delete the edges, which do not need to exist. Also, the reason I'm doing that and being really, or trying to be really efficient with edges and faces is because in a game, the less faces and less edges you have, or less faces specifically, the less the game has to render, and the faster it will work. Like literally less faces, even if it describes the same information. Like you see how this is not a face. I need to clean this. I need to clean these up before they go into the game. But mostly for now, I'm making good modeling geometry, which is different than good game geometry. We can take the cube from this. Oh, actually, let's... I like this. Let's do that thing I was planning on doing. Let's do this. Duplicate it so we can merge. And join these together. And we can add shape keys. No. Singular key. Key. So basis. And then we can do... Wow, the music just got really sad. I don't know why. And we can do that. And that. So these four... Ooh. And individual origins. That's unrealistically small, but... Who cares? This could work in real life. What are you talking about? This is totally how it would work. What if we do mirror XY? Oh, that would work. 0.05. GX 0.05. Perfect. Oh, I'm back for a bit. Welcome back. How's it going? Do 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 do. Okay, I think this is what we're gonna do. Put this. 2, 3, 4, 5. That is good. So what does this look like? No. Okay, if we do that. 0.02, 5.02. Nope. 5. Oh no. 05. 05. 05. I think that should look more realistic. Yeah, look at that. It's kind of dumb and is not realistic in any way, shape, or form, but at the same time... Nope, didn't get it. Mosquito. Yep, well, I guess I lost out on that. Let's see. Click, 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 click. Maybe it has to stop there, but... I don't know, having them retract all the way makes sense. It just doesn't look right. I think from like far away. Yeah, you wouldn't notice. These are the little cheats we go through. Drone with retract. Drone on train. .4 x 5 Okay, so what I think I can do is go into this one and delete all of our little thrusters because this is geometry we do not need in a compacted one. What did I select that I didn't mean to select? Oh, here it is. Nope, there's still another one. There we go. And we can remove this key, remove that key. Alrighty. We got ourselves a little box, which we can place on little train. Uh-oh, 5. Look at that. Little box, little train. Oh. You know, I like these cars, but I don't like them as much. I think we're just gonna kind of deparent this one and then bring it back to there. Oh, okay. All right, train indeed. Okay. These need to get parented to that. Me realizing I don't have time. Oh, hello. How are you doing? Ooh. 0.34. There we go. Actually, we can join these. What am I doing? Let's make the origin this origin. There we go. Have ourselves a little train. It's awesome. Little train. Okay. I don't know if I love this chrome though. Let's make the chrome like more of a billet chrome. Is that what it's called? I don't know. Make it shine. Oh yeah. Okay. I like it. We vibe. This train needs a little bit of texture on the sides, I think, but for now I'm gonna leave it. We'll have to check. I have to check for that one. And you know what? We got ourselves our little train. So I think what we're gonna do, leave it with 3. What we're gonna do is put this train over here. And after it passes through, after a little bit, it'll trigger this little guy to drop, 1 or 2. And so this will have like a counter. Every train that passes through, there'll be a counter. And whenever this this will launch them at random times. And whenever that runs out, then the train will be called to launch within, I don't know, a few seconds or whatever. And so there'll be a constant supply of these. Yeah, I like it. Okay, let's put one of these over here. We need one of our trusty, consistent ones now. Interesting. Hard to think about. I think we're gonna have to make a little more terrain here. Let's add in. Let's add another icosphere. Okay, out of random notes, I think YouTube, because YouTube's been doing a few things now. There is now sub-only chat, so only if people are subscribed to your channel, which is like follower-only chat, but that's kind of cool, because that wasn't a thing like 2 months ago. And then they just added polls today, if you didn't see that. I haven't used it yet, but I don't really have one at the moment. I'd love to see raids. Raids would be awesome. But, I mean, that's for down the line. Because I know that's also a huge thing to do. But I think that would be really cool if YouTube did that. I'm not so sure I like this scale. I think we'll do this. Give, like, a little bit more texture channel points. That would also be a huge system for YouTube to add. But hey, it could also happen. I do not doubt YouTube. I know YouTube has the manpower to do any of this. It's just whether or not they choose to. Because they're currently focusing on other things like, YouTube Shorts. Which, to be fair, I want my VIP badge. Yeah, that doesn't exist either. That was one of the weird things I did think about today, actually. I was like, YouTube doesn't have VIPs in chat. It doesn't really have channel badges either, in general. But, yeah, I don't know. I was like, that's really interesting to think about. Yeah, let's make the floor low poly itself. And no. I didn't do what I wanted. How about we... No. Duplicate it. Separate it. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Does it not? Only faces. How about we add a subdivision surface modifier? And alright, that is a mess. I do not like that. Okay. I don't like that either. Go back a few steps here. Okay. Only faces. Let's brighten this up. Alright, so what are we gonna do to get this shape to look good? Subdivide, and we can do this. No, we can't do that. Alright, that would be fine. We can connect that and that, that and that. Okay, this is a little less bad. We get a few triangles. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna mute this, so we just might as well delete that. Actually, I do like that better as a quad. Only faces. Minus the edge. Okay. Only face. Edge. What if we go quad? No. Quad try. Quad try. I don't know. This a little genuinely confusing. You know what? That looks fine. We can mirror over the Y. And then when we move that, oh ho ho, maybe not quite yet. Maybe subdivide it. Oh, that's a mess. I don't love that. Oh jeez, I got like 5 minutes. That's annoying. We've got a lot done though. We made a little bit of a scene. There'll be more of these. I definitely want to work on this on stream. It's such a vibe. What are we to do? Interesting. Yeah, no, we can... Alright, we're gonna duplicate this, do that, subdivide. And see if when we raise a little bit of that... Yeah. Subdivide again. Alright, we're gonna do this. This has to stay stationary. So I'm gonna have to do something to tell this to stay stationary. Lock. Can I lock these? How can I keep these from moving? Vertex group. Edge. Assign, close, deselect. G. Let's make this random. G. I think this is kind of cool. Oh my goodness, there's the phone again. Why, hello there, phone. Alright, actually, we can just select, make sure that any one of the edge pieces doesn't move. Actually, if we take this back, this needs to be re-aspect ratioed, because it looks very on the skinny side. Honestly though, not too bad. We start raising the back. Okay. Select. Nope. How does that look? Oh. Okay. I like it. That's not too bad. I like it a lot more than I thought I would. Alright. Well, this is actually quite a bit of progress for today. I am happy with what we've gotten done. But, I think we're gonna have to end here because I have dinner to go to. But, thank you all for tuning in. It's been a ton of fun. It's been a very, very nice, time. It's been 2 hours. That's pretty crazy. Well, thank you for being here. I will see you guys next time. Till then, bye.